Hi guys, today I'm going to show you step by step how to do a pull through braid hairstyle. To start off, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out on both sides to frame the face. And then starting on the top left hand side of the head, I'm going to take a small slice of hair going from the top of the ear to the top of the head on the left hand side and secure this into a ponytail. So this is where your first ponytail should lay. And I'm just going to move this out of the way and clip it on top of the head while I do the other ponytails. So I'm going to take a diagonal section running from the top right hand side to down above the ear on the left hand side, and I'm going to do another ponytail, and the goal with these ponytails is to get them to go from the top left hand side of the head to the bottom right hand side. So we're going to take diagonal sections of hair and make your ponytails, making sure that these run from top to bottom, left to right across the head. So I'm just on my last section of hair now, securing it into a ponytail, so I have 5 all together. And as you can see, they run diagonally from the top left to the bottom right. So starting with that first ponytail, I'm going to divide it in half, and then I'm going to miss out that second ponytail, and we're going to join it to the third. So take one section underneath the ponytail next to it and the other over the top, pinch them together and join them to the next ponytail along with another elastic band. Then apply some texture powder to that first stitch of your braid. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the very outside edges just to make it more voluminous. And we're going to repeat the same steps all the way down the head. So take the next ponytail, divide it in half, skip the ponytail next to it, and we're going to join it to the one after that. So pop one section underneath and one section over the top of the ponytail next to it, and then join them with that next ponytail with another elastic band. Again, add your texture powder to that stitch of braid and pinch and pull that braid apart for some more volume. And we're going to do it one last time, so divide your ponytail in half, miss that ponytail out and join it to the bottom one. So one goes over the top, one goes underneath, and then secure it all together with another elastic band. Add your powder and pinch and pull. Okay, so we should have 2 tail ends left over, and all I'm going to do is add another elastic band a few inches from the top of that top ponytail. Make a hole with your fingers and then slip a couple of fingers from the top to the bottom, and I'm going to grab the ponytail underneath the way through that hole. And we're just going to repeat this step all the way down till you run out of hair. So keep adding elastic bands, making a hole and pulling the underneath ponytail through up to the top. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, please hit that subscribe button below. I upload twice a week on a Wednesday and a Friday. Once you run out of hair, grab some more texture powder, apply it to your new section and pinch and pull for as much volume as possible. Then lastly, tie the ends together with a clear elastic band, creating a loop. And I'm going to just take that loop and tuck it under the top of the braid and secure with as many bobby pins as needed along that braid. And to cover the elastic band on the top, I've got this little hair cuff. Again, they'll be listed below, and I'm just going to stretch it out and then pinch it across that elastic band to cover it. Then curl the hair at the front away from the face, and it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.